Hello everyone, welcome. You've made it to the second term. Good to see you again. This is Paul and I'm going to work with you this term on research. What are we going to do with research? Well, you've already seen a couple of things about research, but in this particular workshop, we're going to work a little bit on what scientific knowledge is, the kind of hypotheses, variables, how to conceptualize ideas, the types of samples, validity. Also, we're going to talk a little bit about action research, which is one of the things that will help us try to understand and analyze what happens in our classrooms. And this understanding of what happens in our classrooms will help us to find solutions that are fit for our specific classrooms and not this one fits all type of research solutions that we usually get. So we're going to train our eye to find some things that can help us try to improve our teaching practice. Also, we're going to work how to collect the data we observe in the different classrooms and how to process those details, those bits of information that we collect, right? So that is what we're going to do. I'm very happy to be sharing this new workshop with you, and check on the dates for our synchronous meetings. See you then.